Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about a new feature that Instagram is going to be rolling out, and that feature is a limited stories feature that they want to implement on the platform. The reason they want to implement this is because they're trying to get rid of people uploading too many stories at once. Right now, you can upload up to 100 stories on your Instagram profile at once, and some people really take advantage of that, and it takes you forever to scroll through all the stories to move on to the next story. So I found this article right here that explains it or confirms it, whatever you want to say. It says the popular feature stories of Instagram has been a key in the success, and they're talking about here that having the ability to only view 3 stories at once is going to be bad news for creators who like to post a lot of content. But it's not all bad news for content creators, because people are still going to have the option to click a show all button within these stories to go ahead and view all these stories that creator uploaded, up to 100 stories. So they're not going to only allow you to post just 3 stories per, let's say, 24 hours. They're going to only show 3 stories to the people watching the stories, and then they're going to have a show all button on the story itself, and then people can have the option to click that or not if they want to view more stories from that creator. So that's what this article sums up pretty much. And it says a Brazilian Instagram user, Phil Rosselli, was the first person to notice this new feature when his Instagram only allowed him to view 3 stories shared by each account. I personally think it's a good update for the platform, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you have this option to only view 3 stories at once by the time you're watching this video, then also drop that in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.